Hey everybody, welcome back to Surviving a Creative Life, and I have decided that I want to try to do a tree ring pour using primary colors and black. If you've been watching my channel, you'll know that I had two other primary color acrylic swipes, and I thought, wouldn't it be nice to make a triptych with a tree ring pour in the center? So I'm going to attempt a tree ring pour in primary colors and black. So let's get started. So some black to start with. All right, I think I'm gonna start there. That looks like that should be enough paint. And I'm gonna make a little spout. I'm going to use the seam right there, and I am going to attempt to do this, and it has really been a while since I've done one of these, and I think I want to go a little bit this way. I'm going to hit it with a little fire before I try and spread these rings out a little bit. Uh-oh, looks like I've run out of butane. I need to refill. All right, let's try that again. There we go. I don't know what I'm going to have going here once I get this tip in, but it looks interesting. Okay, I'm already kind of impressed with that. I hope it's showing up okay on the camera because it's really kind of cool. It's very dark, but in a good way, because it's got all these other bright colors in it. I think once it dries down, it's going to look fabulous. I think it looks pretty cool as it is. I'm just going to do a little bit more fire in a few places. I'm gonna let that one go now. I actually really like that. Got some really interesting colors in here that I didn't expect. The more purples than I was expecting, which is actually kind of cool because I did put the blue and the red in together, and I didn't know what was going to come of that. But I still think this is going to look fabulous in between the other two primary color pours. Time for some close-ups. Okay, so here is the painting, still wet, and I am going to go in for some close-ups now so you can see some of the details on this because I think they're getting lost in the larger photo. There we go. This is really pretty section right here. I like this. Look at all the little cells and the bigger cells coming up through the layers and the rings. Love it. And I really like down here how some of these have, the colors have mixed to come up with some greens and some purples. And we are back at the beginning again.